What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So it's time to do the battle of the cameras between the Galaxy S21 Ultra, right? And I'm going to do this one with the LG G8. The LG G8 was one of my favorite phones about 2 generations ago. This was a fan request from my community. And you know what? I love doing these type of tests because we want to see how devices have aged, especially with technology, you know, going from 2 generations all the way to the current generation, to see how better the cameras and optics are between devices. So this is a fan request between the LG G8 and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now in this video, I'm going to do daytime only. I do 2 dedicated videos, 1 daytime video and 1 low light video. Please check out my channel for the low light video that's coming out. So before I start all my camera reviews, I clean the camera lens because there's no excuses here on this YouTube channel. And let's go on and see which one is King Supreme. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is. I got the LG G8, one of my favorite phones, going against the big dog, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, both of these devices is true flagships in their era. Obviously, we 2 generations difference here in both devices. But you know what? I just want to show you how devices have aged over time. But I tell you what, the LG G8 was one of my favorite phones when it comes down to the cameras. I filmed a lot of my YouTube videos with the LG G8 in manual mode. Man, how things have changed. All right, so let's look at this. Let's go and zoom all the way in. And let's see, that tire. LG G8 4K, 8x zoom, kind of pixelated there. Let's go Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's go 8x zoom also. So we got 8x zoom, 8x zoom. Obviously, the Galaxy S21 Ultra looks better, but that's what I'm talking about. It's supposed to get better. I mean, you know, over the course of years, technology is supposed to get better. Every time you buy a new device, it's supposed to get better. The camera's supposed to get better. Everything's supposed to get better. And there it is. Very evident that the Galaxy S21 Ultra is better. But if you got an LG G8, you should be great. You should feel good right now if you got an LG G8. This phone is amazing. Man, that's what I'm talking about.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8. Now, remember, I make two dedicated videos, one daytime, one nighttime. This video right here is all about the daytime. Check out my channel for the low-light comparison between both of these devices. But looking at the LG G8 and looking at the Galaxy S21 Ultra, again, me looking at the viewfinder, yes, the Galaxy S21 Ultra has better skin tones. Everything looks better. But again, we talk about two generations, and this was a requested video, so hey, it is what it is. I like to make sure my community is taken care of, so I always try to do requested videos, and this is one of them. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the LG G8. See you guys on the next video. Peace.
Dan Tana.